Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back at it again with another hiking adventure. We are headed to Mount Rohr today, which is near Pemberton. So it's a long drive from Vancouver, about 3 hours with no traffic. And right now we have made a stop in Squamish just to grab some coffee, and then we'll be on our way soon.
You know, मेरा worst nightmare hike पे पहुंचो, I forgot to bring shoes. That would be something.
Alright guys, we're about to start the hike. Mount Rohr. About 16-kilometer round trip over 1100 elevation, so it's a tough hike. And it's supposed to be a very hot day, so hopefully we're not gonna burn. The sun is shining. It's at its peak already and it's only 9 a.m.
I can get 15 referrals, eh? I hope it's accumulated. Yeah, I just no.
Guys, check out this tree. Wow.
नहीं ये थोड़ा सा off है, थोड़ा सा गड़ जा रहा है.
So Mount Rohr is one of those, you know, underrated hikes in BC that not a lot of people go to immediately because it's a little bit far, but I've heard some great things about this one, and I've heard it's very, very beautiful. And today the trail is very busy too, so I think the people know what's here. So I'm really looking forward to seeing those views from the top. And this area in general, like after Whistler, Pemberton area, it's a very beautiful area with very tall mountains and gorgeous lakes. We're getting the first glimpse of the views on this hike. Just about an hour and a half in. It's already looking very, very beautiful. Okay, so we have just arrived at Rohr Lake, which is a place where people will camp. But wow, this lake is beautiful. Wow. Look at that turquoise color.
Because of the western, anyone who has a very big background when it comes to like.
So up till this lake, I think we're halfway, and now we're headed towards Mount Rohr.
Have an attachment out of his name. The Indians have attachment to the name, they don't mind. Or even Africans don't mind naming from different.
Okay guys, so we're almost at the summit. We're taking a small break. What?
I don't know about almost.
Almost? No? Not really? But then look at these views. Wow. Sitting here with my boys.
You want some gay trade? 3 hours.
3 hours in, we should be up within an hour.
You drink all of it, so
Yeah. It's a beautiful hike.
this is actually the sugar
And can't wait for the views from the top.
Yes, exactly. क्योंकि वो जो no sugar one है. Kristen है. I think it's behind that. I could be wrong.
Javed bhai, you feeling good?
Oh.
Crazy grind. Wow. So we are going up, and that up there is actually the fall summit. So apparently there's 2 more, and then it's the actual summit. Damn.
1 hour later.
Okay, so there is actually a total of 3 fall summits before the actual summit. But guess what? We have made it to the final summit. And here we are. Ta-ta-ta. Wow.
मुझे दे तो मैं तो गा दूंगा अपने आप से. अरे good job. अब एकदम राइट पे देखो. Sorry, right नहीं.
Having lunch with the boys at the summit. Celebrating. Beautiful day, beautiful hike.
And beautiful people.
Beautiful people.
There's sunscreen right.
Alright guys, so overall this was a pretty good hike. I thought this was gonna be harder, but honestly it was okay. Like I wouldn't classify this as like an extremely hard hike. Just the last quarter of the hike has some elevation, so that can get a little bit tiring, but other than that it's actually a pretty doable hike. For the effort you're putting in, the rewards are massive, and highly recommend it. In Pemberton, Mount Rohr. So we're heading back down now. We're gonna end this video right here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Thanks so much for joining. See you on the next one.